Okay, everyone, to go to our blog, you go to go.economics.illinois.edu/Brazil blog 18. It will take you to the actual website of Illinois econug.wixsite.com /econ summer. Anyway, so this is our blog, but to post, you can click on those three horizontal lines right on my face and choose blog from the menu, and this will take you to the blog portion of our site. As you see there, I was doing some samples. So you have to accept my invitation to be a collaborator to the site. So you gotta do that before you're able to post. Once you have done and created your login, you go in and log in with your email. And I've already saved my password, but you will type your email and password and we'll just put in there. But in my case, I already saved it. And I'll log in. And now I'm ready to post. So you can just simply click on create a post. You can add a catchy title. So catchy title. And now you can start typing your post here. Hi, this is one picture. And when I hit a new line, you see how there's now a plus sign. So I can actually add an image or a gallery, which are several images to it, or a video. In this case, I'm going to add an image. And I'm going to choose my photo library. You also notice there how I could have actually taken a photo right now. But I'm just going to do photo library. And I am going to choose my Luke, my puppy. And if I hit the cogwheel for settings, I can actually give that picture a caption. Luke, my dog. Thank goodness for autocorrect spelling for the most part. Don't worry about the rest. You just click update, and there you go. Now you can keep on typing. Okay, so you can maybe start over here now and say, here's another picture. And again, you hit return. Go up here, hold on, hit return. Okay, there we go. Let's add another picture, just so you see you can add multiple pictures. And me of this baby. Okay, so again, there it is. And this is it for now. You should also say something about yourself. So about Murillo. Blah, blah, blah. And you can, okay. So let's say, I don't know how I did that to the picture. Anyway, we can play with that later. But so now, once you go to save and continue, you click on save and continue here. You can choose a category. So for our categories, we have site visits, exploring, people, and needs. We can think of other categories too, certainly. Let's say people here. So I'll go back. Oh, that didn't save. Okay, so people, then save. Okay, and now I'm ready to save and publish. So I'm publishing that. And now when I go to all posts, or anyone from now on visits the site, we'll see your newly created post. But let's see if I just go to the home page. Now that post I just created is showing up here. And from here, you can click on it. It will actually take you to the post where you can read in more detail what you just wrote. All right. Now, I'm learning as we go. So as I learn more things, I'm certainly will put that in here. And if you have any questions, you can always call me.